Us now, and Brooke, a beautiful day out there, but you are tracking a few showers, so talk about the timing for us.
All right, so today dry, but tomorrow we definitely have to plan around some isolated rain in the forecast. So I know it's been so beautiful the past couple of days, dry season in full effect, but on top of showers, we do have some strong winds picking up. I'll explain why in just a little bit, but it does have something to do with Hurricane Tammy. It's about 1,200 miles to our east. Now, this system has been pretty strong over the past couple of days, has maintained Category 1 strength. Now, it is to the northeast there of Puerto Rico, and it will continue in that northeasterly motion. Then eventually it's going to make this curve weakening back down into a tropical storm. So this means several days with this churning in the Atlantic Ocean in the open waters. So that's going to kick up the seas for us here all the way across South Florida. On top of that, when we have an area of low pressure to our east, an area of high pressure nearby, we are sandwiched in between these two systems, and that's going to increase wind surface here across the area, and that's why we're going to see those winds really picking up. So today we're in the clear, but you're going to notice some differences if you're going to be out and about at around 11 o'clock tonight. So that's when we're going to start to see those winds a little bit on the breezy side, becoming gusty heading into your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we are expecting to see a sustained wind at around 20 miles per hour, the occasional gust as strong as 30. So if you have Halloween decorations that could blow easily away, maybe just put them away for a couple days. In fact, Halloween Day looking really good here across South Florida and the Treasure Coast. But before then, it's going to be very windy to breezy at times. So we have, of course, conditions along our beaches that will be on the rocky side, rough surfs offshore. We're going to see seas up to 10-foot waves, especially out in the Atlantic waters. Rip currents will remain very high along our beaches. And because of that strong onshore wind, we are looking at some beach erosion. And also with a full moon in the horizon, we are expecting to also see some of that coastal flooding due to the king tide. Taking things down to the Caribbean Sea, we have another area that we're watching. This will not impact us here across South Florida at all, but it does have a good chance of becoming maybe a depression between now into Tuesday. Very quick development, if any, as it moves onshore towards Nicaragua over the next couple days. Again, no impacts for us here, but if it were to maybe become a tropical storm, the next name on the list is Vince. So back here at home, we're going to have that strong onshore wind. Today we stay dry, but we are expecting to see a few spotty showers work their way in for your early Tuesday morning, so plan for that for the morning commute. Afternoon, fairly dry with some lingering clouds, windy at times, as I mentioned, and then a few more spotty showers heading into your Wednesday morning. So that's going to be the trend over the next couple of days. Isolated, quick moving rain, nothing on the significant side. Temperatures right now, we have the low 80s along the Treasure Coast, very comfortable, and even looking good along the Palm Beaches, mid to low 80s across the board. So very nice as we head into your Monday afternoon. So we'll have a couple more hours for temperatures to hit those mid 80s for you. So right around 85 to 87 degrees, especially along the inland areas, a little bit warmer there. Tonight though, looking good. Temperatures will remain mild in the 70s to the mid 70s along the coast, and a couple of upper 60s along Lake Okeechobee. And then tomorrow, that's going to be a windy day. Temperatures near average, right around 84 degrees. So let me show you the next few days. As I showed you, isolated showers in the forecast, very windy at least all the way through Friday. Over the weekend though, looking good. Temperatures still right around the mid 80s with limited rain in the forecast.